Hi guys, my name is Vinod Podzale. Today's date is the 3rd January 2022, and today's topic is the array list in Java. So in the array list in classes of the Java and the collections of the framework to provide the functionality of the resizable of the arrays, and the it is the implement the list interface. So for example, collection extend to the list, and list implement into the array list. These types of the implement to the array list. Java array list and for difference in the list, array list and the array. Java we need to the declare the size of the in the array before we can using the one size of the in the array, and is the declare to the hard to the change it. To handle it is the issue, so you can be use the array list classes, and it is allows us to the create the resizable of the array. So unlike to the array list can be automatically adjust to the capacity when the add and remove the element, and from it is the hints to be array list are the allows to the dynamic arrays. In the creating the array list, before you array list we need to the import the create the array list. Before you need to the create to the java.util package, and how to using this create the array list, and in the bracket type, and our array list is equal to new array list. These types of the indicate the types of the array list in the array list. So basic operations in the array list. The array list classes provide the various of the methods to the perform the different operations, and the array list we can be lock up at some commonly to the use the array list and operations in for example, add the element, and access the element, and change the element, and remove the element, and in the access to access to the element of the access to the list element, in the access to the element of the from the array list, and we can get the methods of the array list classes, and change to the array list and element to the change of the array list, and the use to the set method of the array list classes, and remove to the remove array list element. It is used to the remove the element from the array list. So we can be use the remove method of the array list classes for and the some methods are the using in the array list. Size method, it is the used to the return to the length of the array list, and sort, it is the sort method are used to the sort the array list of the array list element, and the clone method are used to the create the new array list with the sum of the element and size the capacity, and content methods are used to the searching the array list, and searching the array list, and the for the specific element to the return in the boolean result, and it next is the is empty method. It is check to the array list is the empty or not. And last is the index of method. Searches the specific element to the array list and the return to the index of the element. These types of the methods are using in the array list. So thank you guys.